Yo, 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 what is up? King here. And tonight is the night of the super blood wolf moon. So I'm going to be filming on two phones. They both got good quality. See which one is kind of better, you know? So yeah, let's fucking do this shit. Clips have started. So yeah, I'm gonna go outside and later on then I'll come get high and watch it high as well. So yeah, bitches, let's fucking go. Alright, here is continuation. It's getting there. It's gonna be good. I don't know if these phones can really focus on them. On this iPhone, I'm using another app. Alright, wait up. Honestly, pictures are so much fucking better. Using this iPod. Pictures and stuff. Fucking video camera shit, bro. Fuck, this is some bullshit. Oh, cameras aren't really catching shit. Video at least. Some bullshit, bro. Bro, what the fuck? I'll continue as it goes. There you go. Now this is a better shot. Look at that. Starting. Pictures are better than the video. I don't know why. It's getting pretty fucking reddish. Hell yeah. I'm gonna start howling soon, man. I'm gonna start howling. Oh shit. It did this again? Are you kidding me? It went out of focus again. Alright guys, so I decided to ditch the other phone. This one's better quality, I guess. Oh, it's about to be total. Pictures are definitely better than this. Oh man. It's fucking red. Hell yeah, it's becoming more and more red, man. Let me take pictures. I don't know why on the camera it looks gray. It's fucking red. So the moon is like really red. Video camera doesn't capture. You know what else pisses me off? Look. Alright, wait, let me zoom in actually. Shit. Focus. Okay. Watch. Focus. On my iPod here, the moon looks really fucking red. Right there. But then when I actually take a picture, snap a picture, okay, now this one it did show it kind of red, but still not too much. But yeah. Oh, now the video camera's catching the redness. Some good fucking shit, my bro Hamos. I'm gonna rape you, yeah. Would you like that, baby? Would you like me to rape you? Yeah, I'm gonna fucking lick that pussy with my fucking dick tongue. My dick has a tongue, bitch. Anyways. So yeah. After the white is entirely gone, I'll enjoy a bit, film a bit, go get high, go back, and then yeah. So what I'm doing with the pictures, I got my focus on it. My iPhone, right? I'm like screenshotting because when I actually like press the button to take the picture on it, it like, I don't know why, but instead of making the moon turning out to be red, the photo turns out to be fucking gray. So I'm just screenshotting it because it looks better on the camera itself than fucking, look at that shit, bro. Wind coming, wait up. What up, motherfuckers? Have my hair pulled back in the hoodie so I can see better. I'm wearing my robe too. So I'm fucking confused because like there's still white showing, like a little ring there. I mean it's 12:05, so I don't know if it's gonna keep, you know, covering it, or if that's literally as much as it's gonna get from here. Because I read that North America, blah blah, was getting, and specifically the East Coast was getting, would get the best view of the total eclipse. So, yeah, but I'll keep filming. I'm taking photos on this little iPod, but it literally dies if I ever disconnect it, so that's why I kind of have it charged 24/7 all the time. I have a portable charger, so I can carry it with if needed. And like the way I take pictures, because with the actual camera itself, like it doesn't catch it. Like when I click the photo. So what I have to do is literally there, and then go to screenshot, and screenshot the whole screen, because on the screen it'll show like the moon nice and fucking red, you know. Anyways, gonna get high now. So let's go, motherfuckers. Oh, fuck. Alright. Gonna pause here. Gonna go back up to the porch. Film from there and shit. I don't know and I actually don't know if this phone that's recording video is even able to catch the moon since it's red now, dark bloody red. So if not, then I guess I'll stop the video, or I'll stop the video and then wait and see if it changes. But I'll be posting pictures. I mean, they're still low def, but it still shows the redness of the moon and everything, which is great. My and I'll be posting them on my Instagram. My Instagram is official King Kang. No periods or underscores or anything, just official King Kang. Go check that out. Yeah. See you in a bit. Okay, so no, it doesn't catch it. It doesn't catch it. This camera for the video, it doesn't catch the red moon. It's too dark for the camera to catch. My iPod can catch it on the photos, but not on video on this iPhone. So I don't know. Again, go to my Instagram, which I'll also link below. I'll post the photos there. It's beautiful. Also, I really wish I was watching this with my fiance, Meredith. I wanted to watch this with her really badly. You know, it's kind of a once in a lifetime kind of thing. You know, a super blood wolf man. You know, like shit, or you know, mainly the super blood is the important parts, I guess. But so yeah, and you know, she couldn't. You know, not because she didn't want to. I hope at least. They trust. And, but, you know, parents, I guess. I don't know. But, oh, by the way, I'm high as fuck. Feels great. I don't know, I'm doing great. And then I tried to plan my friend Michael to come over and, you know, we were gonna film some shit. But, I guess, you know, he kind of bailed. Well, he just, yeah, kind of just, yeah, no, so he's not here, obviously, and so, you know, I said I was gonna film anyways, whether there was anything, or anyone else here, but, you know, Meredith, I really did want her really badly on here, you know, or, not even on video, or just her being here. It's really always I could see it with her. And you're listening, watching. I love you so much, baby. Yo, I'm looking at the fucking moon like I know I'm high as hell right now. Okay, you know how, well, my dad, I think there's Mexican lore. The moon looks, you know, when you look in the, he said that when you look in the moon, you see a rabbit. Which is true, I can kind of see a rabbit because it's like a story. But, so yeah, like a rabbit and a snake or something when you look in the moon, you know, normally a normal full moon, you know, they say you can see like a rabbit. Well, this blood moon, dude, I fucking see a skull. like, not exactly like a skull, but like just a screaming skull looking-ish face, like 2 eye holes, big ass, like scream, almost kind of like ghost face kind of mouth, and like holes, like the nostrils, like, you know, so skull. I see that, dude, in a blood moon. That's fucking awesome. That's some awesome and creepy ass fucking shit, dude. Well, since camera can't catch this beauty, I'll be right back. Oh my fucking god! Don't. Oh my. Fuck! Okay. I think I wasn't recording this whole time. I like just got back from you know, what you saw with me being outside at the porch. I was wearing a robe. You know, I explained this whole thing. You know, this sweater, my airbag, air. I was wearing, you know, saying I had a sweater and I was wearing a robe over it as well and shit. You know, and cause I'll explain again. Unless it like stopped recording or just a glitch, but I don't think I was fucking recording all. Okay, so explain. Yeah, you little bitch. Okay, so now I was up there. Yeah, so this camera, this phone, the iPhone video, won't catch the blood moon. It doesn't catch it. Like it's too dark. The because it's red, you know, kind of dark, bloodyish red. And it's too dark for the camera to capture. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna keep taking pictures or screenshots, whatever I. Oh, there was a little in there, but keep, you know. I explain, you know, cause like, okay, the camera of the wait. Oh, that's me. Wait, I'm confused. Is this the front camera? No, it's the back. Okay. So, this iPod, the camera, like catches the fucking moon, you know, in picture mode at least. It catches the moon, you know. I zoom in and boom, you know, it's fucking bright, fucking red. You know, if I turn up the brightness on it too, like, would go down. And I can capture it. But when I click, you know, to take a photo, then it doesn't. It shows like it shows the moon, yeah, but like gray for some reason instead of red, which is what appears, you know, on the camera screen. And it is bright fucking red. I'm seeing it with my eyes. A lot of people are. Bitch. And so what I started doing, because at first I was just taking normal pictures, but then as it, you know, got redder and started darkening, I started taking screenshots instead. As in, I'm here, you know, I'm on the camera app, you know, I see the moon right there, and instead of taking a picture, I just go here and take a screenshot of this screen with the moon right there, you know, and it captures the moon as it looks, you know, as it should be. So yeah, and I'm gonna be posting all the moon photos on my Instagram, which is official King Kang. No periods or underscores or anything, just official King Kang, bitch. And yeah, there I'll post, you know, the original photos unedited, and then I'm gonna post separate of the photos, but, you know, with a higher contrast of brightness, you know, enhanced kind of version of them. And yeah, fuck, how long I've been talking? I don't fucking know, man. I kinda got a boner. No, it's just a chubber. Yeah, it's just a chubber, Jimmy. God damn it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing that. Fuck! I need to get back to that in a sec. I'm gonna keep taking photos of the moon still, though. I've been taking a lot of photos, so I'll probably, you know, delete a few. Some. But video of the moon, I'll try again, but this time just from my window. I'm not gonna be able to go back up to the porch, so just from my window. Or there is a little porch or slide door room right here. So which, you know, leads directly outside. So I'll try videoing from my window and from the slide door room outside, and hopefully, you know. But if not, then I won't record that. I mean, I'll record it, you know, if it works or not. But, you know, if it doesn't, then I'm just gonna bring it back in here and see what else I could record. So yeah, I'll be right back, motherfuckers. Okay, fuck, I'm high. I'm high as fuck. So I just took a few more pictures. You know, of my window here. There are weird fucking sounds outside, dude. That's freaking me out. Like at first it was just like sound like going like do 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 do, something like that. Like animal sound. Okay, I'm closing my window. Oh my god, I'm fuck. I am fucking high as fuck. I'm too high for this shit, man. I'm freaking myself out. Oh fuck. The moon still looks great. I think it's starting to pass now. Fuck. But yeah, I still want to keep checking on it, but fuck, dude, fucking creepy. Okay. Alright, now wait up. I might still keep taking pictures, but I might not be recording I might just stop and then just, I don't know, wait till it's over without recording at all, but yeah, and still don't think it's able to be seen on, you know. Alright. $12:32. Yeah, it's supposed to like kind of officially the blood moon at 12:44 as well, around there. So yeah, it's basically almost over. I'll just pack up everything, and then when I look out the window or whatever, I'll just have to deal with the cold more. Wait up. I'm back. Cheetos, bitch, fresh bag, just opened it. Might get some soda. Yeah, man. So I guess this is fuck. I guess this will be like another What I'm Like to Be High episode, I guess. As well. What I'm Like to Be High, Part 5. The Blood Moon. Yeah. Never take no bride, bitch. Yeah, What I Like to Be High, Part 5, The Blood Moon. The Blood Moon. My vocals don't always stuff. You know? That looks like shit. Good chip. Yeah, I said chip, bitch. Even though they're puffs. Puff balls. Yeah, that was mix of platinum Girl Scout cookies and sour diesel. Ooh. Fuck me and my vaginas. Hey. You're a bitch. Not you. You. Yeah, you. No, not you. The other guy, the one right behind you. Yeah. He's a bitch. Oh, fuck. Itchy. I just don't want my goddamn baby here. God damn it. You can already feel this a lot of stubbiness from, you know, because I shave, obviously, shave Wednesdays and Saturdays. There are other places I shave, of course, like my armpits. I got you there, you little bitch. And yeah, bunerific. Okay, be right back. Okay, so I'm just fucking high as fuck and I'm eating. I'm about to go to sleep, so yeah. Hope you liked the video, the site, the view, whatever. And yeah, so subscribe for all kinds of content and shit. And yeah. Rock out.